In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal error that says, "We're having trouble making sure it's you." First, open the browser you normally use to access PayPal. Once the browser is open, click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to your browser settings. From there, navigate to the Privacy and Security section and look for the third-party cookies or site data option. Here, you'll want to clear all site data and permissions. Keep in mind that doing this will log you out of all accounts, so make sure you have all your passwords saved before proceeding. After clearing the data, try logging into PayPal again and see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't fix the problem, or if you prefer not to clear all your browser data, there's another method you can use. Open your browser and search for Contact PayPal. Click on the official PayPal Help Center link that appears at the top of the search results. Scroll down the page until you see the Messages option and click on it. This will open a chat with the PayPal assistant, where you can explain that you're seeing the error message about trouble making sure it's you. The assistant will then guide you and, if needed, connect you with a live PayPal agent who can help resolve your issue. Following these steps carefully should allow you to access your PayPal account without interruptions and complete your transactions smoothly. For an added layer of security, when managing your PayPal account or any other online financial activity, using NordVPN is a great idea. It keeps your connection private, protects your sensitive data, and helps prevent unauthorized access. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.